Hi, I'm Shaye Larkin and thank you for visiting. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I'm a bankruptcy attorney here in San Francisco, and for more than 20 years now I've been helping clients file Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcies. In this video, I'm going to talk about what information is needed in order to prepare a bankruptcy case. If you've never filed bankruptcy before, you might be surprised at the amount of information that's required in order to fill out the forms. It's a lot. A bankruptcy, when completed, is about 60 pages long, so it's bigger than the typical tax return. Basically, your entire financial picture is within these documents. In order to prepare a bankruptcy that's accurate, truthful, and complete, here are some of the required pieces of information. You need a new credit report from one of the 3 credit reporting bureaus. A credit report from all 3 would be ideal because each of them can have different information. I recommend going to annualcreditreport.com to pull your free credit reports. You can get 1 free credit report from each of the 3 credit reporting bureaus each year. Your bankruptcy attorney will need a list of your debts and the addresses for each of your creditors, and the approximate date that the debt was incurred, and other debt information. They need this in addition to the credit report because the credit report doesn't always contain all of your debt information. Sorry, we're in downtown San Francisco. There's never a dull moment here, so you hear the sirens in the background. Alright, so your bankruptcy attorney needs asset information, a list of your personal property assets, and I have a questionnaire that helps me to get this information from my clients. And I go through the questionnaire with my clients and I help them estimate the value of their personal property items. You also need real property information. That's real estate that you own if you're going to file bankruptcy. You should give your attorney copies of any deeds of trust, recent mortgage statements, and a broker's opinion on the approximate value of your home. You need tax returns if you have them. If it's a Chapter 7, tax returns are not mandatory if you haven't filed them in years. Many of my clients are very low income and they haven't filed tax returns in decades, so it's not necessary if they haven't been filed. In a Chapter 13 case, it's required that all tax returns required to be filed within the previous 4 tax years be filed in order to have your plan approved by the court. So the rule is different for Chapter 13. If you have tax returns, you should give them to your bankruptcy attorney because there's lots of useful information contained in these returns. Some people don't even realize that they are listed as self-employed in their tax return, and I discover all kinds of things when I look at a tax return. So definitely give your attorney copies of your tax returns for the 3 previous tax years if you have them. Income information. All of your income must be disclosed in your bankruptcy filing. So you need copies of pay stubs for the previous 6 calendar months plus the current month. If you're self-employed, you need to provide your attorney with a breakdown of your self-employment income. If you have income from investments or Social Security, that needs to be provided. Income information is crucial in any bankruptcy case filing. You need information pertaining to leases and contracts. If you have ongoing leases and contracts with anyone, such as a residential lease or a rental car contract or a automobile lease or anything of that nature, that needs to be furnished to your attorney. Lots of other pieces of information are needed, but things are done on a case-by-case basis. When your attorney discovers issues, they're going to ask for more information and documents pertaining to those issues. You can expect, if you hire a bankruptcy lawyer, they're going to do a very good job of sleuthing out the required information for your bankruptcy so that it's accurate, true, and complete. You can help make it easier for your attorney by being organized. Thanks for watching and have a great day.